Hello, so here we have a very simple geometry node setup. It's basically just a grid being displaced by a noise texture. But what if I don't want this high resolution grid in my viewport? I only want it in my render. So what I can do is I can add a is viewport node. So Blender has a node that is called is viewport. This node, it has a value of 1 when you are in the viewport and 0 when you are rendering. So I can also add a mix math node, which will basically mix between the values of 1 and 0. So the value that is b is what will be in the viewport. So since I want my vertex to be 256 in the render, I will set that to my a, which is rendering. So I have 256 for my a, and my viewport I can have a quarter of that, or maybe something low poly like 48. And if I plug the results into both vertices, you'll notice that the quality drops a lot. I can also go further beyond and create a node group for this. In this node group, you can see the value of A controls the render value and the value of B controls the viewport value. I can also rename this so it will be easier to understand, and B to viewport. So now you can use this node group in different projects when you save it as an asset. And that is it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.